late by now, but I hope you guys enjoyed some of the videos I did earlier today. Been just running around doing chores all day, and this showed up in the mail. It's the fog lights I ordered for the SS. They're supposed to be a 6000K LED. I don't really know the whole facts on the lighting or anything like that. I just know they said they were supposed to match. Very similar to stock, so I'm going to be installing those. Just getting tired of that fluorescent yellow look compared to the stock. So I'll be doing those today. It'll be a quick, easy install. Just show you guys how to do it real quick, and then we'll do some before and after. So let's get to it. So before we get to the install, I'm going to start the car real quick, have the before shot now, get the at least one fog light so you can see it beforehand. I'll take a picture with one in, one out, and add that in, but you know, I figured I'd just start the car up real quick and do it this way as well. Alright, so what you're looking at right now is just the stock fog lights. It's pretty difficult to see in the camera, but you can definitely tell the fogs are much more yellow. I'm trying to give you the best view here than the headlights. So, like I said, it's going to be 2 bolts right behind the wheel well. We'll get those out, and then we'll see what the results look like afterwards. Alright, so put the wheel in or out. I went in, just find the little bit that it goes to. I think it's a Torx bit, that's what they call it. Never can remember the name of it, but you just need to get these first 2. And then you should be able to get access to that bulb. Alright, once you get those 2 out, like I said, you'll have access to it. Make sure you can see it in there. It's sitting right back there. Just let me get that light in the spot where I can see it better now that I've given you your turn. And then you just lift, switch out, pull that down. That comes out, and you can just turn the light out. Pull it out like so, and there she is. Then we'll just get the new one, put that one in its place, and it's the exact opposite of what you just did. Open this back up, slide it in, push it down, and then connect it right here. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's see what it looks like compared to this one. So one thing I just noticed were these, when you shut the headlights off, these lights up here, you're going to see my finger on them, they are also fluorescent too, or whatever it is. Is it halogen? No, that's not halogen. Yeah, they're fluorescents. So those are as well. So that'll probably be the next one I get. So I'll have to look up what bulb that is. If anybody knows, they can put that in the comments. Definitely interested in getting those as LED as well. Make it all match. So, alright, I'm going to put that other one in. Alright, so they're both in. As you can see, the fogs do look a little more blue, but it definitely looks better than what it did. And when we go through the gate, you actually aren't supposed to have your headlights on. You're supposed to only have your fogs on, or just the daytime running lights, whatever may be your lowest level light. So it'll be a lot nicer, especially since I want to be able to see where I'm going still. And there's a lot of crap in the road here, so. But I'm pretty happy with them. Either way, let me flip the light off for you real quick. Yeah, yep, it's a light bulb. So yeah, I'll definitely be doing these runners up here. These are the sort of like the ugly one now. I didn't realize that I just never noticed them because of the stock ones. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it's short and sweet, but you know, it's not really that big of a project. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with it. $17.99 at Op7's website, so fair price, and it looks good. So hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.